Hey guys, 2010 Ford F-150 5.4 liter V8. This is what it sounds like before. We forgot to do it while it's on the ground, so we're halfway lifted. Go ahead. You guys always ask for before videos, so here you go. This is the last time it's gonna sound like this quiet. And the best part, he's got neighbors that he wakes up at 1 in the morning. So we're gonna give him something special. We're gonna true duel it. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. All right, turn it off. So we let you hear it before. 2010 Ford F-150 5.4 Triton XLT 4x4. He's gonna lift it next, he was saying. Factory converters there and there. Then what we did on it is true dual. Look at that, 2 1/4 all the way back. So when mufflers chops tell you, oh, it's gonna be this much, it's a little bit more expensive because we gotta use a lot of pipe. As you guys can see, it's 2 1/4 all the way back. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there, into massive 6-inch tips. Because, you know, why not? They resonate really nicely when we do true duals on them. We try to go always with a little bit bigger tip. And it is a pretty big muffler, pretty big truck. So you gotta have massive tips on it. There they are, 6-inch. And this is the whole system we cut off right there. That's where it usually wires off, right there. Out the back, there's the stock muffler and stock tailpipe, all 2 1/2. So now he has 4 1/2 inches worth of flow compared to the 2 1/2 he used to have before. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's a good sounding V8 right there. Oh, you guys should see their faces. Go ahead. That sounds so much nicer. Yeah, babe. There's sound decibels. Again. I like that pop. I like it. You guys like it? Yeah. It's not gonna be that loud. Sounds so nice. Ford F-150. Much better. Out with the old, in with the new. Let you guys hear it on the inside. True dual straight pipe Ford F-150, 6-inch tips. So much better.